So I'm going to show you how you can change some of the extension settings on our MiVoice Business extensions. So we've logged onto the system, we're in Users and Devices, User and Services Configuration. I've done a search on all extensions beginning with 100. It's brought up our 4 extensions there. So I'm just going to make some changes on 1001. Here I can change last name, first name, department field, location fields, etc. In the service profile, this is what shows up in the telephone directory. You'll notice that you can change the prime name. So for instance, if you have more than one name recorded against an extension number, you can set the name that you would like to show up in people's displays, thereby giving this one the option of yes. So if you tick the radial for yes, that means that if somebody calls 1001, the directory name extension 1 will show up in their display. You can click the privacy settings. If you highlight that radial there, that means that if somebody calls 1001, all it will show in their display is the name. It won't show the number. You can set it to be a local only directory number. You can set it to be automatic call distribution enabled or a single line telephone. Now we're going to go in and change some keys. We'll change the second button up from the bottom. So we're using a Mitel IP5312 in this instance. So button number 2 is the second one up from the bottom. The bottom one is your own line key appearance. So we'll highlight there and it will open up the options. No need to put a label on it. You can if you like. This is more for if you have a phone that has an LCD display and the label will show up in the display. Something like one of the new 69 series phones or the higher level 53s, the 5330s or 40s, 5360s for instance. You can put a label in there. The line type, so many different line types, we can't discuss them all here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to secretarial working. We're going to put one of our other extension numbers in there and we'll put the ring type as no ring in this instance. So what will happen now, if a call comes in to extension 1002, it will make button number 2 flash on extension 1001. If we wanted button number 2 to ring, we could set it to a delayed ring continuous, a ring or a ring continuous. So there's different levels of ringing that we could use there to notify extension 1001 that somebody is ringing extension 1002, and this is manager secretarial working, so we'll leave it to no ring just so that it flashes. Save that and we're done. Perhaps we wanted to make one of our keys a headset key, so again we click on the key and give it a label if you want, give it the line type of headset, don't have to fill in anything else. Now in this instance we're using a 5312 IP phone, so we're going to have to make another key, a release key. Now the release key is for releasing a call that you want to transfer to another extension when you're using the headset. You can't just press the transfer button, dial a number and press the cross or the speaker up button to hang up, because that will cut the caller off. You need a release key to send the caller on its way. So this is how you change keys. We could make perhaps one of the keys a pickup key. So make it a call pickup. There are so many different assignments that we can give to keys. User speed calls. So if somebody wanted to have some user speed calls, for instance, a mobile number, so you just put a mobile number in there and then you can click save, and then that user will have a mobile number, their home number or a frequently used number stored as a user speed call under button number 9, and you just click save. I'm going to just blank out this key, click save, and it would be stored. And there we have, that's how you change some keys.